Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to create a blog post in your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can have in Webflow and that you can access. You have the dashboard and so on. Here we can see all the websites that we have created and that we can use, and here we even have the button to go ahead and create a new website if we want. But for today's video guys, we'll be using a website I have already created called YouTube Tutorials. So let's go ahead and open up the website by clicking on it right here and clicking on Open Designer. After clicking on it guys, this will now open up the website. We have to go ahead and open up designer mode by clicking right here in the upper right corner and clicking on design here. Now we can go ahead and get started with editing the website. As you can see on the left and right side of the screen, we have the options to edit the website. At the left side of the screen, you have the option to go ahead and add new elements and features to the website. You can see your components, you can see the website settings and so on. In the right side of the screen, you have the style option that you can use for editing how those components and elements look that you add to the website. You have your element settings and so on. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and see how to go ahead and create a blog post. So the blog posts are located at the CMS page. So we want to go ahead and look at the left side of the screen and find this option right here, which is called CMS. Go ahead guys and click on CMS. And this will now open up this new menu where you can see your CMS collections. You have the option to go ahead and create a new collection if you want, but we do not want to do that. We'll go ahead and open up blog posts. Opening a blog post guys, you can now see all the blog posts that you have that you can publish on your website. And guys, if you look at the right side of the screen and right here in the upper right corner, you can see that there is an option called new blog post. Let's go ahead and click on that, and as you can see, now we can go ahead and add a new blog post. We can give it a name, we can give a post body, we can insert the images and thumbnails that we want to use and so on. After you're finished and satisfied, just go ahead and click on create in the upper right corner, and this will create the blog post and it will add it to the CMS collection. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.